look. It's a Spider-Man car, look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. You said web slingers?
Oh, it's too much power. I'm gonna blow.
Oh my god. So this is a wide body BMW X5 carbon fiber hood. Now check the back, check the back, check the back, check the back. Videography of my car. Huh? No videography of my car. No videography of your car? What are your thoughts so far?
Bro, this is awesome.
This is awesome. Airlift performance.
This is
awesome. Awesome.
Wicked, buddy.
It's wicked. Wicked tuna. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Wicked tuna.
Look at that.
Damn.
Why's he got a sniper scope, bitch?
What the f? I think I just won this Mario Kart tournament. I'm not gonna lie.
You wanna follow mine? Give me a message. Tell me a message.
Yeah. By 2 seconds, bro. That's good.
Sunshine, see my mouth shot. That little right. Shot 16, 6 shot. Watch my wrist shine, watch my bitch shine. See the sunshine, see my mouth shine. Dirty golf tears, while that trap cry. Dirty ass glove, watch the hood cry. Watch my wrist shine, watch my bitch shine. See the sunshine, see my mouth shine.
What the hell, dude? This wasn't here before. Rolls Royce, Bugatti Veyron. Bro, you're in the presence of like trillions of dollars right here, bro.
Oh, that one right there?
These gold ones right here. What the hell, dude? Oh shit. Yes, sir. Oh. That's crazy, bro. Up and down. Hey.
Coming back out in a second, I got you.
All right. Hey, thoughts on that, Ivan?
Sounds like popcorn.
What do you sound like someone is exploding the toilet?
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. God damn, bro. Oh. God damn. Later.
Thank you, sir. Kicking ass. You're the fastest racer here, man.
Yeah!
Yeah! Take care, guys.
By the dawn's early light, proudly.
You got to. No.
Bro. Oh my god, bro.
We go to the hoodies. Go to the hoodies. He's here. David's here. Oh, what? What are you supposed to pop out?
Yeah, bag.
Here, how did you didn't do it.
I'm about to blow. I'm gonna blow!
I dare you. You get that on camera?
I didn't get the 1, 2, 3 part.
No. Hey.
We did one. We did chances. Gustavo
have
jumps
even done
in the
it.
fountain, bro.
Shouldn't even have.
We
to.
both said 5. We both said
You
5.
should not have lost it.
You can't fuck around with these bets. Okay.
Are you gonna take off your shoes?
Yeah, you have to, bro. You can't get those AirPods this way. No, you have to.